What I feel is that such exercises should be an eye-opener for each and every one of us, because we all know that we are in Zone 5, and Zone 5 is the most severe seismic zone all over. There is nothing above Zone 5.
It's always the case that when such incidences happen, it's the community or the immediate people available at the place of incident who will have to be the first response team. And subsequently, it'll be scaled up to the district level as per the requirement. But then, all said and done, it's the responsibility and the onus on each and every citizen to be aware of the various roles and responsibilities, and also to ensure that they update themselves with information with regards to disaster management.
Banyak kali anjurkan society minta kasih ia dan lang bentar kali ka state mockdrill exercise kaba dan kali ka is hasil sejongi but kat kum kajing UI kejongi kalong ba kali ka drill kalong kaba don kam ba namar ba in la baneta jadi kumnu haba kiwan kita ki jing khnyu jumai lani kui pat ki jingja ling ba kabor jo kamariang.
It's good that we have these type of drills. It makes us aware and makes us be more prepared for a real disaster. So these drills makes us well equipped, like not only our training capacity, not only our knowledge, we also become well equipped. We know where we stand and what are our resources, where are the gaps to be filled up. Equipments and vehicles, those are the main resources which we need during any disasters.
Our volunteers have participated as search team, as first aid and rescue. One Ledikin College, they are attached with the DMNHO, and Synod College were attached with the SDRF. So this is how the drill was done.
Although what we find is that we have very limited resources available with us, but we were able to use those resources thanks to the help of the volunteers. We do realize from this experience that we need to have a lot of volunteers, people who are willing to come and help us, people who are willing to come and lend a hand. So therefore, a lot of things also have to be improved in the relief camp, like for example, the communication aspect, or we understand that there need to be a doctor and a medical team in the relief camps. And so with that in mind, I think in future, taking this exercise as a base, we can improve in providing the best.
Lessons we learned today from the mock drill is basically with regards to resources. We need to be more prepared with the availability of resources from various organizations, which in turn will be a great asset for us when a real life situation takes place. We have information from where we can access additional resources if required.
And we had a very good exercise. We had coordination from different NGOs. We had the Indian Red Cross with us. We had the NCC. We had the Abda Mitra, and all our teams were well equipped. So it's a good experience for us. and from this we have seen also there were some lacunae from our side also, and it's been a very good learning experience from us.
As we are all trained from the CTI department through the DDMA the department, and first of all we should come forward and help the community, as we are all trained volunteers. Through Abdomitra, we first help ourselves, our family and community as a whole, and then we could help the others. And through the training we get from the CTI department, we will be able to help and rescue some people on behalf of others, SDRF and other teams who come on the spot.
Jingui hagan kasni kalong ba kini first aider hagan kasni ru kila trei ka kam ka kongsan ba ban Europe ya kita kiba syam lanat bad ni kermens kamru banane syafat ngidang la susu ban ai ya kakti kaman kakti kadiang jungi ban ya trelang bad ka jelahi barok kwe ni scam ru bagan ka mockdrill hagan kasni kala long sisa ka job bad ni scam ru ba haba kidon kinu jingi kiba ni kendo bangin ya long kloy bangin ya wan syafat bad ru bangin ya snok tilang hak ban ya rap ya iwi pa iwi dak bangi ya rap shwa yalade bad habangi pejru yalade shmet shwa di bandan hak safe side ka jongi bah din bangi lek kunta ngila ru ban ya tur pat shafi jaka ya ka bangin ai ka jingi rap ka jongi kita i jingi i jonga bad i jingkar pat i jonga.
I'd like to just appeal to the public that can be aware of these kinds of disasters. Don't panic, get prepared. We are going to doing this exercise to just see what kind of coordination we are doing amongst all the agencies, and in the days to come, we will be doing it at the community level, at the very small level, so that everybody is aware of what their roles and responsibilities, and more importantly, people should be sensitive about it.